Hi, my name is Jennifer Cassidy. Susan Carruthers, Carol Makis, and I are applying for the State Farm Good Neighbor Citizenship Company grant. We selected State Farm for our grant proposal because they focus their educational grants on academic performance improvement programs that impact K through 12 students. Our school is in desperate need of additional technology. As a school with fewer than 650 students, our students cannot keep up with the digital age due to the lack of devices. And at this time, our school has only 60 desktop computers and 14 iPads for student use, which is a 22-to-1 ratio, 22 students to 1 computer. As a result, we are requesting $62,000, which will enable us to purchase 108 iPads and iPad covers, 3 iPad charging stations, 36 Dell laptops, and 1 laptop charging station. This will provide our students with the necessary technological devices for the next few years as we work to become a one-to-one school. These devices have been identified to enhance student learning. Our goal is for teachers to be able to create lessons that will allow the devices to not only assess, but to differentiate and enrich student activities so that they can experiment, investigate, and create projects that they could not have otherwise completed without devices. Because both teachers and students currently have access to a small number of devices, no additional device training will be needed. However, teachers will be trained through Cobb InTech on resources available that will help foster technological instruction that will take our school one step closer into becoming a 21st century learning environment.